Ready to ditch the financial fear and embrace budgeting bliss? Forget the dusty spreadsheets and restrictive rules. We're about to unleash your inner money maestro with a step-by-step guide to conquering your finances. So grab your notebook, a healthy dose of motivation, and let's dive into the world of budgeting. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Step 1. Know yourself. Know your income. Embarking on the journey towards financial mastery begins with a deep dive into self-awareness. Ask yourself, are you the type who thrives on the thrill of spontaneous exploration, or does meticulous planning resonate more with your nature? Understanding your financial goals is key, whether it's constructing your dream home, early retirement, or ticking off those cherished destinations from your travel bucket list. These priorities serve as the compass guiding your budgeting expedition. Once you've aligned your goals, assemble your income warriors. Your salary forms the backbone, but don't overlook the potential allies like side hustles, freelance gigs, or even those cherished birthday checks from grandma. Become a financial detective, scrutinizing every source of income, leaving no stone unturned in your pursuit of understanding the financial landscape that is uniquely yours. Step 2. Track your spending monsters. As the financial journey gains momentum, it's time to unveil the spending gremlins that may be lurking in the shadows of your bank account. Transform into a financial ninja, meticulously tracking every penny from that daily morning latte to the unexpected allure of online shopping sprees. Whether you opt for the convenience of a budgeting app, the charm of a classic notebook, or even the simplicity of post-it notes adorning your fridge, choose a method that resonates with your unique detective style. The objective here is clear, illuminate every financial transaction, no matter how small, ensuring that your spending habits are brought into the spotlight. Step 3. Categorize and conquer. In the battlefield of budgeting, chaos is the adversary. It's time to impose order by categorizing your expenditures. Imagine your budget as the organized room of a diligent child, each spending category assigned its own box, neatly arranged and easily accessible. Whether it's rent, groceries, transportation, or entertainment, assign each expense its rightful place. This systematic approach provides a clear and structured overview, allowing you to see at a glance where your hard-earned money is flowing. With categories in place, you're armed and ready to conquer the budgeting battlefield, turning chaos into control and financial clarity. Step 4. Budgeting Bootcamp, choosing your weapon. As we dive deeper into the realm of financial mastery, it's time to arm yourself with a budgeting weapon that aligns with your unique approach. The arsenal of popular options includes the 50/30/20 rule. Divide your income strategically, allocating 50% to needs such as housing, food, and bills, 30% to wants encompassing leisure and hobbies, and the remaining 20% for savings and debt repayment. This rule provides a solid foundation, but remember, adaptability is the secret to success. Zero-based budgeting. Exercise ultimate control by assigning every penny of your income to specific categories. With zero-based budgeting, no financial soldier is left behind, but it demands a higher level of discipline and meticulous tracking. The envelope system. Opt for a tactile approach by allocating cash to physical envelopes designated for different spending categories. When an envelope runs dry, spending for that category halts for the month, a tangible way to stay on the budgeting path. Choose the weapon that resonates with your financial philosophy, keeping in mind that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Adapt and adjust as needed. Your budget should be a flexible companion, not a rigid dictator. Step 5. Budgeting buddies and bonus hacks. Unlock the power of support on your financial journey. Seek out budgeting buddies, join online communities, or follow financial gurus who inspire and motivate. Share your challenges, revel in your victories, and together, stay accountable to your budgeting goals. Don't forget to employ these bonus hacks. Automate your wins. Harness the efficiency of technology by setting up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments. Let automation be your financial ally, ensuring consistency in your financial strategy. Unsubscribe from temptation. Take control of your inbox by unsubscribing from those tempting email lists that trigger your spending impulses. Out of sight truly means out of mind when it comes to managing your budget. Negotiate like a pro. Don't shy away from renegotiating bills, insurance rates, or gym memberships. Every penny saved contributes to your financial victories. Track your progress. Celebrate both the major milestones and the small victories along your budgeting journey. Visualizing your progress serves as a powerful motivator, propelling you forward toward financial success. Remember, you're not just managing money, you're crafting a path to financial freedom. Step 6. Set specific goals and milestones. Transitioning from financial dreams to reality requires more than vague intentions. It's time to craft your roadmap with specific, whether it's saving $1,000 for a down payment in 3 months, conquering a targeted credit card debt within 6 months, or automating a steadfast 10% of your income to savings each month. These concrete goals breathe life into your financial journey. They provide not only direction, but also the motivation needed to propel you forward, ensuring your budget becomes a dynamic tool for tangible success. Step 7. Review and adjust regularly. Your budget is a living document, not a stagnant one. Schedule regular reviews, be it weekly, monthly, or quarterly, to conduct a thorough assessment of your financial landscape. Are you adhering to your spending categories? Are there areas where adjustments can be made to better align with your evolving goals? Flexibility is your ally. Be prepared to adapt your budget based on changes in income, expenses, and the shifting sands of your aspirations. Step 8. Embrace small wins and treats. Budgeting isn't about constant deprivation. It's a journey peppered with victories. Acknowledge and reward yourself for reaching milestones or consistently adhering to your budget. Whether it's a delightful dinner out, a spontaneous weekend getaway, or the joy of a new book, these treats become the motivational fuel that keeps your budgeting engine running smoothly. Remember, these treats are celebrations, not derailments. Use them as a source of inspiration, a pat on the back for your fiscal discipline, and a reminder that your financial journey is not just about the destination, but also the fulfilling moments along the way. Step 9. Invest in yourself. Beyond the realm of saving and budgeting lies the crucial step of investing in your most valuable asset, yourself. Dedicate a portion of your budget to personal development ventures, whether it be enrolling in online courses, obtaining professional certifications, or attending workshops and conferences aligned with your career aspirations. The dividends of investing in your skills and knowledge extend far beyond immediate gains, paving the way for heightened earning potential and increased financial stability in the long run. Step 10. Seek support and celebrate with others. Navigating the financial landscape can feel solitary at times, but it doesn't have to be a solo expedition. Forge connections with a budgeting buddy, engage in supportive online communities, or consult with a financial advisor. Sharing your triumphs and challenges, celebrating wins, and drawing inspiration from others' experiences can transform your budgeting journey into a collective and empowering adventure. Surround yourself with individuals who not only understand your financial goals, but also encourage and motivate you to persist on this transformative path. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.